you. Well, it looked like an old cops and robbers movie in Hollywood today. This was the 12th annual 10-4 parade of classic emergency vehicles. 10-4, of course, being the radio code for Got It. These are some really cool old vehicles: police, sheriff, fire, CHP, and of course, you know, Mr. Los Angeles himself, former Councilman Tom LaBonge, was there.
We're here recognizing Hollywood's role and history, basically, of television and police shows. It all started on 10-4 day, even though today's 10-5. We didn't want to do it on a Sunday. But 10-4, that great command, Broderick, Crawford, 10-4.
Speaking of Broderick, Crawford, the parade went from the LA Fire Museum to the TCL Chinese Theater for a special tribute to the actor who starred in the TV show Highway Patrol.
All right.
Driver's license and registration.
Yeah, that's right.
He's all business.
This is 10-4 day. All these cars you've seen have been in movies and on television shows.
10-4 day, Hollywood visitors. Report the LAPD.
Now check your photos now.
Hollywood Dream Tours over there.
That theater, I used to go to the movie that Barry Goltz was put into the flowers on the star of Broderick Crawford.